Chapter 1. What is history? Point number 3. Today's topic is History and Us. The study of science helps us to find the answer to many questions. For example, the environmental science studies the problems of degradation of the environment, pollution, etc., and looks for their solutions. In the same way, every science has its own areas of study. History studies events of the past. This is the main point. So we repeat. History studies events of the past. Repeat after me. History studies events of the past. Individual or collective actions of human beings have consequences. They result in an environment that may be either favorable or unfavorable for the progress of society. This affects our day-to-day life. For example, if the people of a village work together and help one another, the village make good progress. However, if the people cannot come together, it puts obstacles in the way of its development. So, help each other is a very good work and it helps in our progress. So, you also help each other students. As like some student not brought pencil, you give him, and some student do not bring tiffin, so you give him. So help each other. This is a very good action in the eyes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah like them who help others. Allah help them who helps others. My dear students, history attempts to find out answers to many questions by studying the way of thinking of past societies, their actions and the consequences. The study of history makes it possible for us to study what is and what is not favorable for the progress of human society. History thus provides us with guidelines about how we should behave today in order to shape a good future. Next paragraph. By telling us the life stories of great people, history also serves to inspire and to motivate us. By studying history, we get to know about the give and take that took place between our own and our civilizations. We learn about that progress of human civilization. We also understand how people's way of life went on changing. Every village, city district, state and country has its own history. Similarly, the earth, its mountains, water bodies, animal world, mankind all have their own history. Every science too has a history. It tells of the many scientific discoveries that brought about important changes in human civilization and of the scientists who made those discoveries. So, in this topic, we learn about help each other and about our civilization and our environment. Homework. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Every science has its own areas of dash. Number 2. If the people of a village work dash and help one another, the village makes good dash. Question number 2. Answer in one sentence. What does the study of history make possible? Question number 3. Answer in brief. Number 1. What is that puts obstacles in the way of village development? Today's thought. The man who wins is the man who thinks he can. वही आदमी जीत सकता है जो ये सोचे कि मैं जीत सकता हूँ. Thank you very much.